future racer vibe to it. We're really on the future racer vibe this week. I mean, a lot of it is, but this week it's particularly on the Wipeout vibe. We're just gonna grab all these and see what we can fit in here. Again, with the little video game controller style circles. I love these things. I use them maybe a little too much, but that's okay. I was feeling comfortable in there. We can maybe squeal it. Yeah, I think, yeah, that works. So we are going to clone that and create a version with thick white outlines, and we're going to push that to the back so that there is a layer with thick white outlines behind it, so that we can push this layer all the way back and it doesn't actually touch our text. Cool. That's almost getting there. I think we're going to use this one, kind of scale it up, push it back. Now it's just all about getting it in the right spot. I think right there. I think that works.